so crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing this wavy hair look. It's actually a hair tutorial, and I've actually never done a hair tutorial on my channel before. So the tool that I am actually using is this crimper, and it's actually my sister's, and you know, she'll be okay. But this is the crimper I'm using. I absolutely love it. You can purchase it off Amazon or get it from Sally's or Walmart, I believe. But I will link it down below, and I don't even think it's anything over $40 for this. And this is what you get with it. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm the type of person. My hair is actually very straight naturally, so like having like waves and like little curls makes me like super excited. I will be listing this tool on my description box down below if you guys do want to purchase it. So yeah, I highly recommend it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, well, how I got this look using this tool right here, then please keep on watching. Bye. Okay, so you guys, to start off this look, I am going to just section off my hair and, you know, tie it up with the thingy. And then I'm just gonna take like 1.5 inch sections, and then I am using this pink crimper. It's my sister's. She's probably gonna be mad, but you know. So this is what I do, you guys. Honestly, I made this video before. I actually made like a couple videos that day, and it just wasn't up to par. Here, I just took like a 1/2 inch part, and I'm just clamping it with this. And then you're gonna go ahead and do it on the last crimp and put it on that bend, if that makes any sense. I hope so. I really do focus, like my main focus on my top of my head. And then the last one like this, and then it just makes cute little crimps like this. And then doing it over again, same 1.5 inch section, and do this. One, two, three, four, and I usually count to like 10 or 15 seconds. And honestly, why do I say honestly so much? I don't even know. So I really hope you guys can see, or you guys can tell what I'm doing, because I'm not the best at explaining stuff. So let's do it again on this side. So I'm going to put that in the back, and then I'm going to take the last sections right here. So I'm just going to take 1.5 inch section. I'm actually going to do this one alone. And this is way thinner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you guys see where the last loop is? I'm gonna take it and put it in that one. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Same thing with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now that that little section is done, I'm going to be taking, once again, 1.5 inch. Use the crimper and put it right here. And then the last loop right here, I'm gonna put it back in that bend. This is the last section of the bottom section. So yeah, and also you guys, if you guys want to see this makeup look, it will be uploaded maybe before this or after this, I'm not sure. I've been having very not good luck with my videos. I've actually recorded many videos, like 5-6 videos, and then I had to like update my laptop, and I don't even know how they got deleted, because I was updating my laptop but they got deleted from my camera when I didn't do nothing on my camera. So I don't get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this just gives like the cutest beachy waves ever. I absolutely love them. So yeah. And you guys, this is all my real hair. I do not have any extensions or anything in. I do want to dye my hair, to be honest. but I just don't know what to do. So I'm actually gonna tie the section that I already did, like very loosely, and then open it back up, get another section, tie this up and clip-de-clip just like that. And I'm taking the last section and I'm doing the same thing. So I'm gonna explain it one more time before I just go ahead and do it really quick, and we can focus on the top section. So I'm just taking a 1.5 inch or an inch section. Try to get it as close as you can to your head, but don't burn your head off. So just holding it here for about 10 seconds. And then same thing, go lower. You're gonna get it to the last bend and put the last loop on the last bend. Just like that. And then right here. I do count to like 10-15 seconds, like I said. Last section, well, last little thing for this, and then move it to the back. Same thing. Just going to quickly go ahead and do the bottom sections of my hair, and then I will be back to do the top with you guys. Usually my hair is like really straight naturally, but I did use this crimper like a couple days ago and it lasted pretty good, so I do recommend this crimper with a little bit of hairspray, and you guys will have this look for like weeks. Not weeks, I would say like a week. You guys can at least wear this. Okay, we are on the top section now. And I just go ahead and part my hair from the middle. Just like that. Then I'm just going, I do grab some from up here and do one going this back just so it doesn't look that weird. So I'm just gonna grab this one right here and do this like this, like going back on my hair. So just keep it there for like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like my 10 seconds, like the fastest 10 seconds of our lives. And then same thing, just go down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and split this. Put this on this side, split these two in half. No, I'm really not. I'm just going to do all this together. So, and this is the top section, and you do want to focus the most on this section. So, I keep it on here and just hold it for actually like 10-15 seconds like all the other ones. But I do try to get this top section the most perfect. And the top one, I'm actually gonna split these two, and then take an inch section, like less than what we've been doing, and then put it in the last loop right here. When you're moving it, I'm just gonna quickly do this section now, and we are almost done. So just moving on to the other section, I'm doing the absolutely same thing. Sorry guys, I have my mirror like right in front of me if you guys see me looking down. You guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I made these videos so many times, like I said, and I'm just whatever, it's in God's hands and it's getting deleted for a reason and all that. I literally am the type of person now that, like, if anything goes wrong, I'm just like, it was meant to be. It was destined to be that way. Like, I can't believe it. I literally made videos for like 3 days straight and made many videos in one day and all got deleted. Like, I was literally updating my laptop till 3 a.m. waiting for it so I can import my videos in my laptop. A bitch stayed up for God knows how long and they were just gone. So once again, I'm going to separate these two. And then crimp. And on the last strand. My arm is about to fall off. This is the last strand, and I'm just about to open up my hair really quick. And I do take my hands and just, you know, fluff it out and blend it together. Just like that with your fingers. And also, you guys, I do not like hairspray that gets crunchy. And honestly, I don't even own any hairspray because there's no hairspray that doesn't make my hair crunchy. But my sister had this Chi Keratin Flex Finish hairspray. And it smells so freaking good. And it does not leave your hair crunchy. And this is what I'm going to use. I just use a little bit and just go like that. This is how it looks like. You guys, just, it looks so cute. It's just like beachy waves. Let me show you guys the back. This is the finished hair and I absolutely love it. It's just like beachy, effortless waves. I love it, and I actually love this hairspray too. It does not make your hair crunchy. It does not make your hair crunchy. So yeah, and that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, you guys already know to give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you babies next time. Bye guys. Mwah.